Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got an exciting, fun car right here. Vehicle, bus, camper, whatever you want to call it. 1975 Volkswagen, completely decked out. All the bells, whistles, even a refrigerator. It's got the convertible top, the racks, 21 windows, cyclops headlight up front. It's just so cool. I can't wait to tell you all about it. You can also go to volocars.com and take your time and look at all the pictures and read the description. You will find the price and monthly payments on our website as well. It's at volocars.com. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Oh my God, there's just so much to talk about here. These things are just amazing. They fit right in your garage. We have just a standard garage door like you'd find at home. This fits in the garage. It's a camper. You take it to car shows. You can just take extra people in there. It'll do everything but win a drag race. Now this has been rotisserie restored. There's a company that specializes in restoring these. They have this big jig. They strip it down to nothing and they flip it upside down. So the whole bottom of this is all metal and it's all painted this color. And then all the suspension and brakes and exhaust and all the components. There's not much under there. It's all right back here. But whatever is under there is restored. Real pretty underneath. The actual body, it's a fresh restoration. This was just done. Came from the restoration shop to our showroom. So the body is excellent. It's one of the better ones that they've done. It's straight, smooth, glossy, no body damage, no rust, nothing like that. So I'm going to kind of skip over that and just start telling you about all the features. There's so much going on. The little chrome trim here on each louver. You got the ladder going up to the top. You have the rack with the Volkswagen logo. You have a rack in front. It's a convertible. The whole top slides back. You got the cyclops headlight. You have the safari windows. They open all the way, or of course they close as well. You got the V in front. And all of this is redone. All this trim is done, the emblem, even the wiper arms. All this trim is polished, all the glass, the gaskets, bezels, lenses, all of this is new or restored. Every window, and there's 21 of them. You've heard of the famous 21 window bus? Count them. You got all of them up here. You got them in the rear corners. These pop open. These slide forward and back. You got little vent windows. This one pops open. Inside, you might notice the chrome bars. That's another accessory. And the curtains. We'll get inside in a minute. There's a lot of stuff going on there. There's more of them chrome pieces of trim. The engine's back here. You get into the camper part there. Bumpers are painted. Lenses are new. All the gaskets. All the glass. Beautiful colors, too. New radial whitewall tires. They don't even have a few miles on them yet. The rims are painted, all new trim. And this one has the running boards on both sides. So you might not need a running board on this side, but it is cool, and I guess you can stand on it if you needed to get up, up here on the rack with, your old suitcases or whatever you want to put up there. So that's the outside. Why don't we get inside? I got a lot more to show you. So this is your air conditioning. They're called the safari windows when they open up like that. And as I said, they open up fully. And then this is just a neat feature to have on here, the cyclops headlight, they call it. Now, everything's painted. This was just a bare metal shell, and it was all prepped and painted real nice. Again, this is a company. This is what they do. They restore these specific vehicles. So all the metal inside, everywhere, all the metal is painted. If you lift the carpets, take out that panel, it's all painted real nice. You got the lower shelf. Down here, you got the panel, everything's painted. Look at the carpet with the nice sewn edges. You got some floor mats. But look how it's all detailed and beautiful. And then overhead, this is the ventilation system. It lets fresh air in from outside and it blows it into the cabin. You got new visors still in the wrappers. The headliner is redone front to back. Now the seats are rebuilt, so the cushion and springs are real nice. A nice rugged vinyl, two-tone. See what I mean about the metal being all painted? They did add some nice 3-point retractable seat belts. You got a spare right here. Even the framework on the seat. I mean, this is a complete restoration. This one has turn signals, the steering wheel's painted, door panels are all reupholstered, new handles. Got a fire extinguisher over on this side. So you got this running board. That's a neat accessory you don't see too often. And then you come on inside here, and this is a professional camper interior. Whoever built this is what they do. This is not some guy put together this camper. You got a lot of storage and cabinets. You got a refrigerator in here. You got a little sink right here underneath this seat. Still new in the box. There's a cooktop hot plate. So you could set it up here and heat up some food. But look at all the laminate. It's on all sides. It's on the edges. Even a little groove here for your hand to grab it. You've got storage in here, and look how everything's painted real nice. You've got storage in here. And here, you got another table that flips out. Underneath the seats, you have more storage. And it's all upholstered, just like the front. Nice, firm cushion. The side panels are done. All the curtains made special. And then look at the headliner. It's the white perforated headliner, front to back. The convertible top slides open and close very easily. Laminate floor. So you got some seating here for people. If you just want to go for a ride, I don't know, 6, 7 people, I would think you'd fit in here. No problem. Maybe you want to go camping in it. Maybe you just want to go and get ice cream and see how many people come up and take pictures. There was people literally taking pictures by this as it was sitting right out our door here before we pulled it in. People go nuts over these. We have the Batmobile and the Dukes of Hazzard car, and I think this gets just as much attention as those do. So back here, before we get inside, we're going to show you the motor. The whole engine compartment is painted, and you can see the motor is brand new. Look at the pulleys and the carburetor and the coil and the cover and everything. The gas tank hiding back there is all painted. That's a fresh motor. There's a new battery tucked around the corner there. Now inside here, see how nice it's all painted. You got more storage. This seat would probably be easier if I did it from inside. There you go. There's your bed. This is a functioning camper. has white mud flaps with the VW logo behind the tires. You know, I don't think I did a good job just getting across how fun this vehicle is, but I thought about it. I think the vehicle speaks for itself. I didn't have to say anything, but people absolutely adore this. This is a fun vehicle. You're not going to make anybody jealous. You're going to make everybody smile that sees this vehicle. It's usable. Camp in it. Go get ice cream. Take your friends out to dinner, your family. Just walk out in the garage and look at it every once in a while. Just a great, great piece. And you know, you've probably seen these at the big auctions and that they look just like these, selling in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. They just hold their value really, really well. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. You can talk to the salesman, ask them your questions. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered anywhere in the world. They can help you finance this vehicle if you go to volocars.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.